Hello again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Zearn from a link on a computer. This is also, anytime I'm showing you links, they'll also work on iPads. It'll just be within the browser of the iPad or the tablet. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. And then here's Zearn login. I'm going to click on the Zearn login and it should take me to the Zearn page. I'm actually in mine, so I'm going to go ahead and sign out of my teacher account here. It should take you to this page is what we're looking for. Each of the teachers has slightly different username and password combinations here. I'm going to use, for my students, it was already put in there with their first name underscore middle initial underscore last name, which is the district username that they've been using since the beginning of the school year. Their password has been the district password, which they've been using again since the beginning of the school year. Each teacher might be slightly different here, and that information can be taken from gotten right from the teacher, or it should be on the helpful hints page. Let us know if you're having any problems with logging in. So I put my username and password in. I sign in. The first time I signed into this, pretending to be a student, it asked me for a classroom code. It has not done that since. If indeed it does ask you for the class code, that information is on the helpful hints page here, or you can ask your child's teacher. So when you go into Zearn, it's going to show you, it says, here's your lesson. So we're on lesson 26, which is place value. It's going to start with number gym each time. I sort of went through it to practice to see what it looked like. The number gym is kind of easy. It'll hopefully get harder as they go, but you do have to go through the number gym in order to get to the next step. So there's several steps within each lesson. What you want to do is continue through until you get to where it will tell you that's the next lesson, and there's a lock screen that will pop up for that. I'm going to go ahead and practice going through this on my own and then show you in another video what it will look like when you've finished a lesson so that you sort of know what to look for to stop each time. But so far, that's how you log into Zearn and get started. Thanks, and let us know if you have any questions.